Good afternoon. Sean Pack reporting to you live from the 8800 block of West Grange Avenue in Greendale, Wisconsin. If you look to my side over here, we have the Zidell wedding in progress. They're taking photographs at this time. Apparently they couldn't get the AC unit out of the photograph for whatever reason. Budget cuts to the county. I'm not exactly sure.
Look at me like maybe I'm made of magic. While we're sitting in your car, stuck in traffic, I'm saturated in your silhouette, and the best part hasn't started.
I, Jeremiah, with you, Sarah, to be my wife.
Jeremiah received this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity.
I'm falling into about the spark in your eyes.
There's been highs and lows, last lane freeways and bumpy roads, curse to hell.